Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see what is the substitution theorem which is used in a network circuit. So this theorem says that if there is voltage across and the current through any branch of DC bilateral network, then this branch can be replaced by any combination of elements that will maintain the same voltage across and the current through the chosen branch. Suppose this is the circuit given to us, and across this AB terminal this 6 ohm resistance is connected. Voltage across A and B will be 6 volt and current flowing this 6 ohm resistance will be 1 ampere. So if we want to replace this 6 ohm resistance, then there are many combinations which can be applied across terminal A and B, and we can replace this 6 ohm resistance. So let us see how many ways we can remove it. So here in the circuit we can see that across terminal A and B, if we replace it by this circuit, then there will be no effect in our final solution. That will be 6 volt voltage source and 1 ampere current is flowing through terminal A and B. So if we put this circuit in place of this circuit, then there will be no effect in our final solution. In the same way, there are different type of circuits shown here. There are 5 type of circuits shown here which can be replaced across terminal A and B, and our final solution will not be changed. So our substitution theorem said that voltage or current of any bilateral network, this resistance is a bilateral element. So voltage and current are known, that is VAB is equal to 6 volt and current is 1 ampere. Then we can remove this resistance or this element by several combination of circuits, but the condition is that our final solution means the voltage across this element and current flowing through it should not be changed. So this is the substitution theorem which can be used in any circuit.